Find all your favorite merch at kidslearningtubeshop.com. You can get t-shirts. You can get throw blankets and pillowcases. Any video subject you want from the Kids Learning Tube video collection. You can purchase your favorite music. You can get your favorite coloring sheet. Enjoy school even more with your new Kids Learning Tube backpack and tote bag. Hang your favorite Kids Learning Tube poster in your room. Go to kidslearningtubeshop.com and get your favorite merch today.
Kids Learning Tube. There's 18 provinces of Burundi in the landlocked country. We are in Africa, in the Great Rift Valley. Burundi's located in East Central Africa, where the Great Lakes region in East Africa do meet. I am Kankuso. In the east you can see I touch Tanzania. I'm a province of Burundi.
Gitega province is in the center here. The National Museum of Gitega is shown over there.
Rutana province is in the southeast. I border Tanzania, you clearly see. Ruigi is a province in the east of Burundi. I also touch Tanzania, that's enough about me. Karuzi is a central landlocked province. I am sort of in the east, it's where my time spent.
I am the province of Kayanza. I do touch the country of Rwanda.
My name is Kirundo. I am in the north here. I also border Rwanda. It just appeared. Muinga is my name. I border Rwanda to my north. To my east I border Tanzania for sure. Ngozi is a province located in the north. I touch Rwanda. Now let's move forward. Burundi is in the southwest. I touch Lake Tanganyika. It is the best. Makamba is in the deep south, touching Tanzania. You heard this from my mouth. Rumonge is a province in the southwest, touching Lake Tanganyika. I do attest. Bubanza is a province in the west. You see, I do border the DNC. Bujumbura Mari is a tiny province and houses one of Burundi's capitals. I commence. Bujumbura Roro surrounds Bujumbura Mari. It borders the DNC. Cibitoke borders Rwanda and the DNC. In the northwest, that's me. Muramvya is a central province in the country of Burundi. I'm now the past tense. Mwaro is in the west central. Now onto the country we all belong to, you know. I am Burundi in East Central Africa. My capitals are Gitega and Bujumbura. There's 18 provinces of Burundi in the landlocked country. We are in Africa, in the Great Rift Valley. Burundi's located in East Central Africa, where the Great Lakes region in East Africa do meet.
Kids Learning Tube is creating personalized birthday videos. If you're interested in a personalized birthday video, please contact me at kidslearningtube@gmail.com. Search the Kids Learning Tube app on Apple and Android devices and download it today for a safe viewing experience while learning commercial free. We built this app just for you. We'll see you on the Kids Learning Tube app.